Khalifa?
Yes, Emerald.
What's your student number?
203.
Okay.
Emerald,
your screen is no longer showing.
I know, I'm working on it. It got disconnected, I'm working on it. Pretty.
Hello, Emerald. We can see your screen, please. Can you share your screen?
I said I was working on it, right?
Oh, okay.
Can you guys see it?
We can see only N, big N.
Not
Okay,
yet.
I'm sharing it. It's logging. I don't know, maybe because there are so many people. I don't know, but it's sharing. Wow. Hello, Nadine.
Hello, Emerald. How you doing?
I'm good. It's taking a while to share. I'm sharing the screen now. Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh my goodness, what's wrong? One moment, girl. I'm trying to start over my computer. Can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry. I don't know what's wrong with this. Okay, Rudy. Oh. Okay, all we are going to do is just set the Okay, I know what I'm gonna do because it can keep going like this. I'm going to film with my from the screen from my phone because it keeps bugging like this and I can't stand it. But hopefully you guys can see. I think you guys should be able to see. That's CPU bottleneck. 72. Can you guys see the screen? I don't know if you can. Can you guys see the screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I can see the screen.
Is it good? Is it bad?
It's too far.
Too far?
Yeah.
Keep going in and out.
What about like this? Is it still too far? I'm sorry, guys. I have to fix this by tomorrow because it's getting really on my nerve. Is this good like that?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Because I don't know, maybe the computer. Can you guys see the screen?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness.
Emerald, is there a
Yeah.
way that you can open your screen to take the whole thing? Because I'm just seeing your own little quarter, like where you are working at.
I think there's a way to make it, right? To do that. Because I'm not the host.
I think the host can do that.
Yeah, because everyone is just seeing your own little square box where you are
Yes.
working at.
Okay.
Like,
Can the host please?
Yeah. I think the problem. Are you sure? Are you connected with your? Are you sharing your computer screen or your phone screen?
I'm filming it from my phone because from when I try to connect with Zoom from my computer, it's really like slow.
I think that is the problem. The problem is not.
Yeah, the only solution is to connect with your Zoom.
Okay.
That one is on Zoom.
That one is Zoom too. I'm connected to Zoom on both.
Try re-downloading Zoom on your computer.
I think that might be. No, I think it's a CPU issue. Anyway, let's just pray it works. You guys can see my screen now, right?
I think you work now.
Yeah, it's good now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
I don't know what's happening. I'm trying to connect with my Puri. It shows that, but on SQL.
Are you connected to the VPN?
That is the
Yes,
problem.
I'm connected. I'm connected to my SQL to VPN, right?
Yeah.
But when I try to connect on Puri, it shows that Oracle host doesn't exist.
It's a VPN issue. You're not connected to the server.
But I'm connected on SQL.
Not on SQL, on the VPN.
You mean you're connected on VNC?
Yes, I'm connected on it. But when I try to connect on Puri, it shows Oracle host doesn't exist.
I used to have that same problem. Just give it some time. It will open.
Alright.
Okay,
Yeah.
Khalifa, what's your database that doesn't have AMM enabled?
KNDMO.
Okay. Okay, now let's go view the P file. Okay, let's view the P file. It's init KNDMO.org. Okay, you have memory target here already. So it's HNDMO then. It should be HNDMO instead of KNDMO. Okay, you don't have memory target here. You see you have SGA already commented out and PGA memory target. Okay. So let's connect to SQL. Now her question was, how do we enable AMM manually instead of going to the P file and add that parameter, memory underscore target? How can you do it directly from SQL, right?
Yes.
Okay, so here's the SQL statement. It's you alter system, right?
Please, can you zoom out your screen a little bit?
Zoom? I can zoom it. I was trying to make it bigger, but it caused like performance issues. So I don't want to take that risk again. Okay, alter system set memory. The parameter is memory underscore target equals 400. Can you guys see the screen?
Yeah.
The thing is, I already typed the statement, but you cannot see what I typed.
It's too tiny.
Okay, it's showing. Try to zoom in. You can zoom in, you know that, right?
No, we can.
I'm zooming in. That's how I can see. You can zoom in from.
Yeah. From your phone itself.
Alter system set memory underscore target equals 400 megabyte. That's approximately what we did when we said.
Parce que depuis un certain temps, j'ai l'impression d'être la seule artiste qui ne fait.
Parameter can verify because it provides environment. Okay, it's bigger than the max star. Okay, she already has max parameter. Okay, then I need to change the max, the memory max parameter first. I don't know if you guys can set memory underscore max underscore target equals, let's say 500. How did she create a database? Khalifa.
Yes, Emerald.
How did you create a database? You cannot change the memory target, memory max target.
I think it was when I was trying to change, set my AAM, because I don't have it enabled. Then I went on Oracle Enterprise the other day with Prof, and that was when I changed both to 4400.
Yeah, because it's not 400. It cannot be 400. Let me try to put it down to 200 megabytes. Okay, let me go back to your P file. Jesus Christ, wow. But normally that's how you change it. That's how you change it. But it didn't.
Is it your screen or the network that is very slow? I don't understand.
That's the network.
Oh.
Honestly, the network. I don't know. Oh my, it's really frustrating. It's
No.
really frustrating.
Sorry to hear that.
I'm trying to find something that we can do, but I don't know. I don't know if it's my computer that has an issue or if it's the connection. Or what we can do, can someone share their screen? And I'm going to tell you exactly what to do. You can try that too. Are you guys here?
Yes, Emerald, what you saying?
I'm saying, can someone share their screen instead? And I'm going to tell you exactly what to do and explain it.
Okay, you want me to share my screen?
Yeah, share your screen.
Share your screen, man.
Share your screen because it's been.
There you go.
Okay. Try to connect to Puri.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
What do you want me to do?
Connect to Pudi and WinSCP. Open Pudi and WinSCP.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen. The second one.
I have it pinned. I forgot. Wait.
Somebody background, please.
Emerald? Emerald?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I
I
can
don't
hear
know,
you now.
but someone keeps on muting me. I don't know. Anyway.
Yeah, it's the host. Sometimes the background are making noise. I have to mute everyone. So if you realize, just unmute yourself, please.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Okay, Emerald, what should I do next?
Please, can you I want us to start with the assignment that the DB1 exam from class 24.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you, like, show you what to do, and so you can do it like step by step.
All right.
Okay, so the first question is manually create a database close Florida, right?
Okay.
In some other database, it would be, in some other exam, it would be create scripts from DBCA, and then from those scripts, create the database. So we don't know if your scripts are good. I mean, I'm not saying your scripts are not good, but to make sure, can you connect to VNC?
Okay.
You connect to VNC, and as you connect to VNC, you go to, okay, go ahead, connect first.
Here. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, connect to DBCA.
I think I have one opened. Oh, I have to connect to DBCA.
Yeah, just go to DBCA. Go ahead. Those are to generate new scripts that you will use for creating your database manually.
Okay.
Usually that it's a question that will definitely come. For some people it might not come, for others it might come. But usually we are taught to generate scripts from DBCA. Okay, now next. Okay, create a database. Go ahead, next. Okay, next. Okay, you can call that database test.
Guest?
Test, T-E-S-T. You won't create it, you only need the script. Okay, go ahead, next. Now, uncheck configure enterprise manager. Okay, next. Use same administrator. Don't take one. Next. Yes. Okay, use common location for all database files. Yes, you want them to be in /ora data. Next. You can specify it here. Let me check something in this for that exam. Are we taught to specify FRA? Yes, actually, one tip is that from here, right?
Yeah.
Where you have flash recovery area, you can directly put /oradata /FRA.
Right here?
You can do it directly, but we'll do it for next time. Like in the assignment, in DB1 exam, you're always told to change the FRA, right? The flash recovery area.
Okay.
So I'm telling you guys that when you create the script, right?
Yes.
To avoid wasting time, you can just already put the FRA to be there. Like from flash recovery, you can just put /radata /FRA instead of having to do it again at question 15 or 17. What question is it?
So do I leave it this way or I just do it?
Leave it this way for now. Next time you practice it, I'll be doing it. Okay, next. Click on sample schemas. Very important, very, very important. That's why sometimes it's better to even generate new scripts, because most of your database now, you should delete them before the exam. So always click on sample schemas, because otherwise you have to start over everything, because you always have to use sample schemas. Okay, now next. Okay, and you can it can be 400. Next. Control file. Now you copy and you paste it. You copy and you paste it. Next. From there, uncheck create database. Uncheck it. Now you only click generate database creation scripts. You only click on that one. Okay, now pay attention to the location where the scripts are, right? Of course, you can edit the location, but it's in user1/appb/oracle admin test, right? Then click on finish. Okay. Now it's generating the scripts. Okay, here it says the generation of the script is successful, right? Yes, now you can exit VNC. You're good.
Okay.
Yes, you can exit VNC. You won't need VNC after that.
Okay. Do I go to that location?
Go to WinSCP. I want you to see where the scripts are. Go to VNC. Actually, there are at least 2 ways to create let's first create the database mainly using VNC, and then we'll do it by mainly using PuTTY, right?
Okay.
Okay. Now connect to WinSCP.
To WinSCP?
Yeah. You can exit VNC. You won't need VNC after that. You won't need VNC at all.
Okay. I've never connected to WinSCP before. I have it. Wait.
Okay, it's your student number.
Mm-hmm. User is Oracle, right?
Yes, Oracle class 26. I mean, for this turn, she can do it, and then for the next one, someone else can do it, so that the other students practicing as well. Okay. From here, go back. You see the 2 dots?
Right here?
No, on the other side.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
That on that side, it's in the operating system, right? On the other side is in your computer disk. Okay, go back. Go back. That is to go back, right? Okay.
Right.
Now go to user 1. You need to remember where your scripts are, right? It's in user 1. U01. Click on name. You see where name is? Click there. It allows, now it should be in alphabetical order, right? Now I go down, you should see user 1. Yeah, click on user 1. Yeah. Okay, APP. Oracle, admin, test. Yeah. You see that? Click on scripts. Okay. You can see that those are the scripts for the database test, even though the database test wasn't created, but you have the scripts. And we are going to use the script from that database to create another database, right?
Right.
In the assignment, it says to create the database Florida, right? So let's create the database Florida. Okay, what you want to do is, Nadine, you want to clear, you see on the other side, right?
Right here.
Yeah, you want to clear everything, or don't clear everything. Open a new directory. Create a new directory there.
Here.
Yeah. Create directory. And you can name it Florida script, for example. Typos. I said typos. There's a typo. It's Florida.
Okay.
Okay. Now open that directory. Open it. Okay. Now copy everything and move it there. Copy. Okay. Now you want to edit those scripts, right? Click on init.aura. Go to change the name. You see where you have like, I don't know, like goggles. I don't know, like A to B. Can you see?
A to B.
Yeah. Yes. You just passed it. No. Can you see? Yeah, that one. Replace. Yeah. Replace.
What should I replace by what?
You replace test, right? The script we just created has would allow you to create the database test, right? But we want to create the database Florida.
Right.
So that's why we will change test by Florida, right?
So I find test, I replace it by Florida.
Yes.
Okay.
So instead of test, it's Florida, right?
Right.
Okay, replace all.
Yeah, replace all.
5, okay.
5, okay. Click on OK, close. Now you check. Okay, good. Now you can save and exit. You can just click on exit and it will ask you if you want to save. So exit. Is it saved?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the next one.
This?
Yes. You do the same thing.
It's suggesting already. So I
just replace all, yeah. Okay. Now you save and you exit. Now you see we have two files here. We have init test temp.aura and we have test.shell.
Yes.
You want to edit the names. So yeah, rename it. Rename. Now remove test. Instead of test, you put Florida. right? And you do the same thing for test.shell. Instead of test.shell, it should be Florida.shell and Florida.SQL. So change, okay. That's the script you'll be running. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now click on Florida.shell. You continue to do the same thing. You change the name from test to Florida. Oh my goodness.
Everywhere?
Yeah. All of them, all of them.
Emerald.
Yes.
So we could have avoided doing this by just naming it Florida right from the beginning, right?
Yes. But usually in the exam, right?
Yeah.
You are taught to create a script of another database name.
Okay.
And then to create now from those scripts, create another database. That's why we are doing this.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Because if you directly create those scripts directly from that database, we will be able to easily check. If you don't see the script of the other database, we'll know that you didn't do it.
All
Or
right,
if you
got you.
create it with DBCA, we'll know that you didn't create it manually.
Okay. Thank you.
My pleasure. But it doesn't take long anyway. That's one of the longest way, but there is a fastest way that we'll do after that. But it's just good that everybody knows how to do it.
Okay.
That way, yeah. But when it says manually create a database, it means that you have to use the scripts from another database though.
Okay. Okay.
Everything is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now back to the operating system. Click on admin. You see where there is admin? Click on admin.
No.
Yeah, admin, you see admin. It will bring you back to that directory actually when you just click on it.
Okay.
Yeah, it brings you, okay. Now here, create a directory Florida. Okay, now click on Florida. Create a directory ADUMP.
Emerald, question for ADUMP. No, lowercase. Question.
Lowercase.
Emerald.
Yes.
Why is it necessary to create ADUMP? Because when you look at the SQL creation sequels, like the system will create ADUMP it's by itself. The directory ADUMP along with the other directories in admin.
When you create a database with DBCA, right?
Yeah, but even but even when you look at the script, like if you look at the shell script or whatever script there that you have, you'll see that ADUMP will be created regardless of you creating a directory ADUMP.
When you look at which script?
You know, there's a creation script there somewhere. I look at it before.
And did you actually saw somewhere where it says mkdir
ADUMP? Yes, with the other directories in there. Yeah. Let me look at the shell. If it's in the shell. Actually, in the shell, if you open the shell script, the Florida.shell, you'll see
Okay,
it.
let me see that. Let me see that. I've never seen it, but let me see. Let me check.
Yeah, just look at on the left side. You double click on Florida.sh.
Okay, let me check. Let me see if that's true. I mean, I know that we always create ADAM, but
yeah, and then
she can look it up on the screen.
Yes, I'm looking it up. It's a class that okay, that shell script.
Yeah.
You want me to look it up to
yes,
open
please.
to open up the file?
Yes, if you can.
Actually, he's right. It does create ADAM directly.
You want me to open this one, Florida?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go. Yeah. There is the ADAM. It creates ADAM. That's true.
Right here.
Double click. Yeah.
Yes. Well, you need to ask Prof about that.
So it's one. The second. Yeah. ADUMP is already.
Yeah, the second one.
Yeah, there is mkdir ADAM. Well, you need to ask Prof.
Okay. Because I did some myself and I didn't have any problem.
Okay, without create. I mean, anyway, I know that we always create the ADAM.
Okay.
Maybe, but normally, indeed, we might not need to do it. All right.
Please, can you just go through the method by creating the ADAM? At least we know that you can
Yes,
do it
honestly,
without that.
let's just do honestly, I'm just going to stick to the way Prof taught us.
Yeah.
And just create a directory ADAM. Create it regardless. Create it. Okay. Now create the directory script. Scripts with S. Okay. Now open the script directory. Now move everything. Okay. Now from here, go to Aura tab. Click on user one. Click on user one. Dot. Go back to the root directory. Go back to the root directory. Okay. /etc. Click on name for it to be in alphabetical order. Name. Click again.
From the other way around.
Yes. Okay, now go up. Okay, etc. Okay, now go down to Aura tab. All the way down. It's where file starts.
It's not an O.
It's Aura tab. Go down. Go down. Oh, you just passed it. Go up. Yeah. Aura tab. Okay. Now click on the first one. NLDMO column /user1. All the way down. Yeah, copy the whole thing. Only copy the first line. Okay, copy. Now paste it at the bottom.
Right here?
Yeah.
I think she copied the empty spot. Doesn't matter.
Now remove NLDMO, replace it with Florida. Good. Now you save and exit. What was your question?
Say that she copied the empty spot. It doesn't even bother.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay. Aura tab. Okay, now the next step would be go back to the root directory. Go to user one. It's always good to do it before so that you won't okay, go to user one /app/oracle/product/11.2.0/DB yeah. Network, you're going to edit the TNS name. Network. Yes, you got it. You got network already.
I do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Admin. TNS names at Aura. All right, from here, copy NLDMO, copy the whole thing from the end to the beginning. Okay, right. Copy. Now go down. Okay, paste it. Okay, now replace NLDMO. You see from here, right? You can go back to, okay. Now the one under NLDMO. The other one too.
Okay.
Okay, now go to Putty. You save, save. Okay, now go to Putty. Schmod Schmod 777. Actually, no, go to CD, do CD instead. Go CD instead, it might be too much. Go CD space / Oracle base. No, $.
You put CD, you don't have to put slash. No.
Oracle base / admin / Florida.
Emerald, the first slash, is it supposed to be there?
Yeah, definitely. Florida, enter. Now list. Okay, CD scripts. List. Okay, now Schmod 777 space all. I mean star. No, space. Space star. Enter. Now DOS to Unix. DOS 2.
You don't have to list it before, Emil.
Unix, no, it's good, it's good. Unix, all, space, all. No, star, I'm sorry, star, to star. Good. Okay, good. Now you can list it.
Excuse me, Emerald. I not see
Yes.
very well. I not see very well. Was it you put it before the Unix?
DOS 2, DOS number 2,
Okay.
DOS 2 Unix.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Emerald.
Yes.
What does that DOS to Unix mean? What's the function?
You're converting the files to Unix format.
All right, thank you.
You notice that we created them, they were like text files.
Okay.
So we are converting into Unix format.
All right, thank you very much.
Okay, next step. Dot slash Florida.shell. Typo. Run it. Yes. New password would be Brontech 1, right? Brontech 1.
The same, right?
Yes, the same. Brontech 1, Brontech 1, Brontech 1. Brontech 1. Okay. Now it's creating. Thank you so much, Nadine.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, wow.
So, Emerald, we just need to cram all these things and apply them like that.
You just need to what?
To cram them.
What do you mean by cram?
To memorize?
Memorize
I want you
them.
guys to
Anyhow you want
understand.
to.
That's why we did it. That's the long way to do it. There are 3 ways.
Can you please do it the same way with somebody else so I can take some notes?
You want us to do the exact, because I wanted us to do a way a little bit faster than that with someone else. But if you guys want to do the same with someone else and then do the fast, because the fast one is basically just running scripts.
Nadine, I took the notes. I can send them to you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Another way, is it recording?
It's recording, right?
Yeah.
Somebody's going to upload it, right?
Yeah, upload it.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, we're good. I can go back and look it up.
Okay.
Likewise,
I even
so
granted
can
the
you
option
please send
to
to me
do it.
too? Okay, it's created.
Okay, we can move on with the other way, Emerald. I'm good to go.
Can you please send to me too? Let's wait until it's created.
If it's recorded, that's fine.
What is going?
It's not recorded. Oh yeah, it's recording.
I did
That's right.
grant the option to record to everyone, so whoever want to record can record it.
Okay.
Emerald,
Yes.
what's going on with my screen? I didn't touch anything. What is it doing?
It's creating the database now.
It's running the script.
Oh my goodness.
I'm like, I don't know what's going on here.
It's witchcraft.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Emerald.
Yeah.
When you get to this point, and everything is like 000 data file and all that, what does it mean?
Why do you see 0 data file?
When you're running the scripts.
Yeah.
Like, is it like you didn't do it right, or there's like a problem somewhere?
Did you have 0 data file somewhere? Or did you
Yeah.
see that?
All this, I didn't even have this step. It ran so fast and everything was like 0, 0, 0.
No, it's normal. As long as it's running. You see all the Grand 630, it means that the database is open already. Now it's just granting, now it's just creating HR, OEM, running packages, but it's definitely open. If it wasn't open, it wouldn't grant anything. Synonyms wouldn't be created, right?
Your SQL procedure successfully created. Okay.
Emerald.
Yes.
Somehow me, I have an issue with my mine. It says Oracle not available.
Why is Oracle not available?
I don't know. And then it's gonna say it's connected.
Emerald.
To fix that error, right? Oracle not available.
Uh-huh.
RESV.
I'm sorry, say that again. Sis?
Okay, we'll do that later. We'll talk later.
Okay.
You'll be next.
Emerald, question.
Emerald,
Yeah.
please, 2 minutes. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Emerald, question. I missed this part. I finished just the first part while you did it was too long, but the second part I missed why you did it.
Which part that was long? Which one?
I said I finished the first part, it was too long, but I don't know which one. This one.
We'll do it again. We'll do it the second time. Don't worry.
Please, let's do it the second time because I didn't get it.
Okay, we'll do it the second time because I have like 2 other scripts. One script is like so easy, but there is a second script that would allow you to understand it a little bit, but it's faster than that. But I feel like it's important that we do that.
Okay.
Excuse me, can you please do all the method before we come back to any other method that was not clearly defined? So we can cash on time, please.
No, because the other methods are just running scripts. So it's much easier.
You said it's the shortest form and it's important, so it's going to take us less time. So can you be just...
No, we have time. We are locked down. We have time.
Can we just finish the 3 methods, then we can come back to method 1?
Well, we can't be going forward when like everybody does not. So probably for me, let's just like trash this one up before we go to the next step.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
She's gonna come back to procedure 1. We're gonna do it right over. Let's finish just the second method and the third method.
She right, because we have the recording.
To question 1.
You guys are giving your opinion. Let Emerald do it the way
Emerald, do it the way you want it. Do it the way you want it. Take your time. Everybody's locked down. Nobody's going nowhere. Take your time.
I have something to generalize it. You don't have to generalize it. Maybe you lock down. Or everybody's locked down. Not everybody. You generalize it. You don't have to generalize it.
Where are you?
I don't think it's important for us to continue, whereas some people are not yet, they don't get it. Doesn't make sense.
Emery, do it the way don't speak for everybody. You need to have your schedule. How you have to do it. Then later on, the people that have time can wait.
That's why we have it. That's why we have a Dropbox. You can go inside.
Yeah, whenever you're done with what you program, then the people that have time to sit down and wait.
According to your program.
We do
understand. Sometimes when we want to talk this, we should look on everybody's perspective. If you are good in capturing something, not everybody is the same. So Emerald, please take time. If the little people can grab, I think it's better. It's not because it's today, we're going to do everything today. Take your time. Because some people will just tell you this, that. Everybody pays money and everybody has the right to understand and to understand. We have to move from another step to leaving people on lack. Let's just go.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you.
Just do it the way you already scheduled it. People should not go and tell you this, that, because they understand. I hate all this attitude. I don't like it.
Papa, thank you so much. I'm with you.
No, please, we are all adults here. It's recording. All of us can go back. Nobody said they understood.
Yes.
We can always go back to the recording.
Thank you so much.
Some people might go back. Some people would like to do their own today. Some people like when they are teaching, they do understand it more better than when she's talking because they understand and ask questions. Not everybody is the same. Don't look at your way of studying is like the same way of another person.
Mama, you will go and check the video later. Come on.
Mama, she don't quiet. All the things are small. Una no be hear me be like say sometimes on guard and they will just she don't for the program man with man thing way man.
So one and they will don't pay that school fees 16 before they will even start class.
What kind of nonsense is now all time now.
Please, guys, no pigeon here. Please, no pigeon. Stop disturbing, man.
No, we're wasting time, man. We are all adults, man. Let's treat Emerald as if it's prof who is teaching.
Wow.
Can't just be talking like that.
Who's writing that?
Please, whoever is writing this should stop, please.
Who is writing that? Wow.
Write it on screen. It's prof.
Okay, so the database.
Miss Emerald?
Yes.
You are the TA.
I know I'm the TA, so I'm asking, like, what do you? I feel like more people want to go over it, right?
Because we can go by what you say. That means when you come in, you have to give us the game plan. This is what I'm trying to do, and then we will follow you.
I think Emerald should say how much time she was planning to do this, so that we can go from there.
Yeah. Exactly. You cannot accommodate everyone.
Yeah, I can accommodate for sure. I can, but I feel like if some people didn't get it, because I want everybody to at least have a good idea of what we are doing already. I know that some people practiced already before.
Yeah.
So we really need that, but those other scripts would be easier. So I just want like someone else who didn't get it to do it again. So that by the end, that person
It is only fair that
someone
we do it.
doesn't get it like at all. That I want that person to do it this time.
Okay. Good, Emerald. We will do as you
We'll
say.
go with that.
Okay.
Okay.
Diallo, can you do it because you said you didn't get it?
Jalo got it. Come on, someone.
So I should stop sharing my screen, right?
I want to do it, please. Can you guys just
Stop
read
sharing
the
your
video?
script.
I'm going to do it.
Who wants to do it?
I want to
Now,
do it.
Naomi wants to do it.
Okay, Naomi, go ahead.
Let me start the Zoom on my laptop, please.
Naomi, are you here?
Yeah, I'm trying to start the Zoom on my laptop. I was using my phone. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry.
Naomi.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just joined. So what are we doing? I'm just asking.
Okay.
Just pick up from
I
here.
just joined.
Just pick up from here, like she said.
Sid, relax.
But
And
what are we
what
trying
we're
to do?
doing.
So, yeah.
Creating a database manually.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you.
Is it Daniel?
Yes, yes, yes.
Hello.
Hello.
If Naomi can do it, then it's better if someone else does it instead. Because we need to be able to do all the three of them before we finish today. The other two are like one is like 5 minutes each. They're like 5 minutes.
Which one the prof want us to do? Emerald, between the three. Which one between the three?
I think you should understand all of them because you're basically doing the same thing but differently.
So in the exam, you can just choose either method.
Yeah, you can choose what you understand the most. But if you can understand the method 1, the method 2 is going to make sense. It's going to be easy. Faster, but still easy because you'll be able to understand. Because if you don't understand the method 1, then the method 2 won't be easy to understand. You won't even understand it. Naomi, are you still here?
Naomi, please, can you come?
The address is forward.
Sorry guys, please can somebody else do it? I don't know. The Zoom is not opening on my laptop. Sorry.
That's okay. Sorry.
Okay, sorry, dear.
Just give me your address.
Emerald, should I connect?
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
All right, I'll do.
It's okay, Naomi. You might need another computer. Okay.
Naomi, you are just not lucky today.
Okay, share my screen.
Abdullah, you get this already.
No, but I have an issue, so I don't know why I got the issue.
No, I want someone who doesn't get it at all.
No, but I have an issue. I couldn't create the one today.
Come on, Abdullah, give a chance to someone else. You know what
Give
you're
a chance.
doing.
You know what you're doing.
But something is wrong.
Abdullah, we did it. You know what you're doing.
Yeah, but something
Please
is
give a
wrong.
chance
Something is
to
wrong with
someone
mine.
else.
Okay.
And another person up. It's not.
Yeah, but something
We'll
is
fix
wrong with
it
mine.
later, Abdullah. Don't
Okay,
worry.
no,
We'll fix
all
it
right.
later. But
Okay,
give it to someone else who really doesn't know.
no problem.
Wish I could do it.
Let me.
For example, me, Emerald.
Okay.
Stop share. Okay.
If you don't get it, go ahead.
Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay.
Gerard, you already get it also, please. Please,
Okay,
you can
someone
allow
else then.
someone else to do it. Don't let
Someone
it.
who
Do you
never
guys want me to
practiced.
do it?
Yeah, someone who never
I
practiced.
don't even know what we're
already
doing.
gave them wrong.
Okay, I just joined right now. Can I share mine?
Is it the first time you're doing it?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead then.
This before, because I don't understand. This one I want to share. This one I already have it. I don't understand what's happening.
What?
What you say?
I feel like I'm lost.
If you want to share your screen, just share it.
The screen then.
It's not a matter of me sharing my screen. Someone
Some
want to
people
share his
have
screen.
done it
Go
already.
ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Have they had a class like this before? Or I don't understand.
Go ahead.
Guys, please, some order. Someone who doesn't, okay. Raise, you guys can raise your hand.
Go ahead.
Andrew is raising his hand.
Thank you, Emerald.
Okay, Kanjo, so you want to do it?
Yeah, let me try to connect to Zoom on my laptop.
Just raise your hand if you want to do it.
Can we go to the next person, please?
Yeah, he's doing
There's
it.
somebody who is ready to connect.
Someone else, you can raise your hand so I'll be able to see who wants to do it, so that everybody doesn't talk at the same time.
Yeah, Diallo, go ahead. Diallo want to do it. So who is doing it?
Okay. If you have your computer and your laptop connected to Zoom, mute one of the two, so you won't get that echo, annoying sound. Okay, if nobody wants to do it, then let's, Jalo, you can do it then.
Emira, let me do it since nobody wants to do it. Let me do it.
I'm putting me before. Okay, I'm putting mine. What can I do?
Okay, who is that?
That's me.
Is that Fali?
Yes, that's me.
It's Fali?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Then let's do it with Fali's. Okay. Connect to VNC. The first step is to generate scripts, right?
Yeah.
You know that the morning exam is not the same as the evening exam. So some people might not need to generate scripts, but usually you're taught to generate scripts, even without being told to do so. Okay. Go ahead. Connect. Connect. Password 1. You guys pay attention because I won't go over it again. I'm just letting you guys know. You have a lot more to do.
DBC.
Yeah. In some exam as well, you might be asked to create a database with DBCA and then create another one with manually. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Create a database. Next. Next. Okay. Okay. Florida. Uppercase, please.
Emma, I thought we're creating a different database to generate script and create another one.
Do you have a database called, test? Name it test. Name it test. Name it test. Like we did, test. Without the E, just TEST. I mean, whatever. It doesn't even matter.
Enroy, can I ask a question?
Sure.
Why can't we just create Florida right from the onset?
Because usually, right, on exam, right, during the exam, for the exam, you're usually asked to generate a script of a different database name.
Okay,
And
but in a work environment, we can just create it direct, right?
yeah, usually on a work environment, the database is even already created.
No, but just say if we are not to, it's advice. Sometimes we can just create it direct, right?
Yeah, you can create it direct sometimes.
Okay,
but
yeah.
here it's for the sake of knowing what you need to do and how to,
Okay, yeah. All right, thank you.
Okay.
Can you remove the E?
What you say?
Remove the E. Yeah.
Okay, next. Okay, uncheck enterprise manager. Okay, next. Use the same administrative account, password. Down, yeah. Brontech 1. Yes. Okay, go to use common location for all database files. Right? All the files should be in /ora data, right? Next. Next. Click on sample schemas. Next. 400. Next. Okay. Copy and just paste everywhere. Incroyable.
No, next.
Yeah, next. Okay, now uncheck create database. Now click on generate scripts. Okay, pay attention to the directory, right? Now finish. Okay, click on OK. Exit.
Exit.
Oh, no. Go down. Click on finish. Okay, do you see on your computer, right? Move the, no, not that one, the other one. Scroll down from the other one, not that one, the other one.
This one?
No, the other one.
The second window?
No, the main window.
From the red one.
Yeah, the
on
red,
the right side.
the red.
On the right side.
On the right side.
Yes. Bring it down. Okay, you see now, click on OK. Okay. Okay, now your script are created. Yes. No, you don't want to. Okay, just exit VNC now.
You want to exit here?
Go to WinSCP. WinSCP. Okay, go back, go to the root directory. Okay, use 01. APP, Oracle, admin, test, script. Okay, copy everything. Can you make it full screen, please? Thank you. Okay, create a directory in your, on your desktop. Documents, okay. Create directory, okay. You can name it whatever you want. Florida scripts. Okay, click on that directory. Then copy everything to that directory. Okay, now you edit. First, start by editing the files. Test.shell, rename it to Florida.shell. Okay, sometimes to make sure you don't forget, it's better to first rename the files and then go into each file and rename it, you know? So can you can do it for ini.ora already. So just rename it from test to Florida. And then you go and you rename all the files. Okay. Rename it. Why did you delete it?
So I need to rename the file, no?
No, you only edit you only supposed to edit test to Florida, not the whole thing.
Okay.
Anyway, it's init Florida. No. Remove the T. Florida uppercase. Florida. And then T
Yes.
uppercase,
No, temporary, yeah.
T uppercase, and then EMP lowercase.
M.
Okay.
Okay.
Then rename the next one. And the last one.
Okay. The next one.
Okay, now go into each data file and edit. Yeah, replace. From Texas to Florida. Okay, so you do the same in every file.
Okay, now. Hello. No.
Okay. Now go to admin, click on the admin. Okay, so it brings you back directly to the directory, right? So now you create a new directory called Florida.
Yes.
Okay, now open it. Now create the directories ADUMP and scripts.
Here.
Yeah, create new directories. ADUMP, P at the end.
When I cannot open this one.
No.
Don't open. Don't open.
You create the scripts directory also in Florida. They are both in the same directory, right? In the Florida directory.
Okay.
So from here you create a new directory.
No, you wanna cannot put it there, SQL.
Yeah, okay. Click on okay.
No, that's SQL.
No.
Okay.
It's a directory, right? It's not a file. Okay, click on it. Okay, now you move all the files that you have over there, you move them back to that directory. Okay. Okay, you're good with here. Now go back to the root directory. You can directly go and click on user one. Yeah, and then .. etc. Now look for Oratab. Okay, now you copy the last line. Only the last line. And then paste it under on the next line. Now you replace FIDMO with Florida.
Hello, Emerald. I have a question.
Uppercase.
Emerald, I have a question.
What is it?
Why are we supposed to copy the last line and paste it again down? I don't know why we're supposed to copy the last line.
Okay,
and paste
here we're in Oratab, right?
To have the new database in Oratab.
Yeah, we are adding the new database in Oratab. Without your database being in Oratab, you cannot connect to that database.
Okay.
No, you cannot connect to that environment, let alone the database.
All right.
Okay.
Nice. What can I do next? Save this one.
You exit, save and you exit. Now you want to edit the TNS name. Okay. Now you want to go back to the root directory. Go all the way up. Dot, yeah. Okay. Now user one. You have user one right there. Yeah. APP, Oracle, product. Yeah. Yes. Now network. Admin. Now click on listener.aura. TNS name.aura. My bad. TNS names.aura. Now you want to copy the last one. Right? Don't forget any parentheses. Copy the whole thing. Right? You stop here, copy. You can just do Control-C, you know that. Okay, go down. Control-V. Or you paste it.
Okay.
Go to the next line.
I pasted already.
We don't see it.
It's already pasted.
Because I do Control V.
Okay. Now, click on the first
It needs to update the
GNDMO. I want to show you something. Click on the first GNDMO.
Oh,
that one. Yes, that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, highlight it.
Let's see.
No. Just the word. Yeah. Okay, now go to replace.
Oh.
Replace?
Go to replace.
Here?
Yeah. Yes, here. Now click OK, replace all. Okay. Close. Now you see that it's only the last two that are changed, right? Yes. Now you're good. You can exit. Save and exit. Okay, now you can go to Putty. Exit. Okay, CD, $ Oracle _home.
Question, Emerald.
Uppercase.
Question.
Yeah.
We don't need to set the environment and point to the new database name?
No, you don't.
Okay.
_home. / no, underscore base. I'm sorry. Base / admin / Florida, uppercase / script. No, scripts doesn't have R. You don't have this. Okay. TS. Okay, enter. Now list. You can just put LL, Yeah. Okay. Now you see that you cannot read, right? Okay. Schmod 777 or Oh, go ahead. Schmod 77. No, CHMOD space 777 space star. Space star. Yeah. Now DOS. DOS 2, number 2. Unix, UNIX.
You say Unix?
Yes. Space all.
Space?
Yes, all. Space all.
Oh.
No. When I say all, usually it means star key. Okay, star key. Go back. Star key. Space star key. Okay, enter. Okay, now ./Florida. Or what you can do, you can just put ./ and then you copy Florida.shell. Okay, list it so that we can see the difference. List it first. Okay. Now copy Florida.shell. Okay, good. Now write down there ./ and then you paste it there.
No space. Just that.
/ paste it. Right. Brontech 1, Brontech 1, Brontech 1, and then it's going to create. Okay, I need to send some scripts to someone. I need to send some script to someone, but I'm going to explain the scripts first. So who wants to do the next one?
All right, I'll try the next one.
Okay, who is it?
June.
Okay, send me your student number. Give me your student number so I can put the script in on your WinSCP directly.
112.
Student 63.
You already gave me the student. Okay, what's your student number?
63.
What's the 63? I only need one student number, guys.
63. 63.
112 already gave his.
Somebody already gave his.
Somebody gave me the student number first.
112.
112.
Mama.
63, you're next. Don't worry. Okay, student 6, student 12112. I'm putting the scripts in your Aura data so that you will so that you will create. You will go there and you'll just create.
Emerald, how are we going to know the content of the script, please?
Excuse me?
How are we going to know the content of the script?
Don't worry, I'm sending it to his data to him. And he's gonna show you. That's the whole point of it, right? And I can send you those scripts as well later on if you want. But I want us to practice first. I don't want you guys to have a script that you don't understand.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Emma, is that for question number 2?
What's question number 2?
Make full recoverability.
No, it's still question 1. That's the fastest way.
Oh, okay, I got you.
You guys
Okay.
know that it took you some time to create. It takes some time, but you want to save as much time as you can.
Okay.
For the exam. Okay, option 2. I think I'll only show you option 2 for today, and then I'll show you option 3 maybe 1 week before the exam.
Why you cannot give it just all of them today?
No, because the other one is very easy, like very easy. Okay.
Thank you very much. Am I right?
Okay, I'm sending that one. Okay, student 112, 112, you have it already in your Aura data. So if you can already start connecting to your WinSCP, you go to /Aura data, you will see option 2, that SQL. You open it. I'll explain each line, every single line. And what I'm going to do also, Fali, what's your database, your student number?
My student number is 116.
116?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 116, you said? Okay, 116.
116.
Okay, so I'm going to use the script of Fali to directly put it in your database of student 112, so that you won't have, or in your operating system, my bad, so that you won't have to go to WinSCP again. Let's see. Okay, good. The database is created. Thank you, Fali. Now, student 112, what's your name anyway?
Jones.
Okay, John, can you share your screen now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Good. Go to WinSCP. Go to WinSCP. Okay.
Yeah.
I told you to already connect, but whatever.
Emirate, sorry
Yes.
to distract you. I was out because I was at work, so I just stepped out for a minute. What happened just now? You gave him a script and we ran the script.
I just sent him the script. I mean, it's a script, and I'm going to go by line, and I also already put the test scripts in his database in his operating system, so he doesn't have to go on VNC this time.
Oh, okay.
Since we already did that part twice. Okay.
Emma, before we start on that side, question for you: after creating the database, do you need to synchronize the initialization files? P file and the SP file?
What do you mean synchronize?
Like create the P file from the SP file.
No, it's already created, right?
Because I was looking to mine, I didn't see my init Florida.
You don't have it?
Yeah, I have the SP file Florida, but I don't have the init.
That's strange. Normally you should have it.
I don't think. I mean.
You don't think?
No, I mean, I don't think the thing create the P file from the SP file itself.
It does. You know this in the scripts, right? You have init database name .aura.
Yes. There's init database .aura, but there's no P. Because I think even when we created our database in class, I think we did that exercise. We had to create the P.
The init.aura is the P file that is generated for you when you create a database.
Yeah, both the init. If you open the init test tmp.aura,
okay,
and you open the other one, the init.aura, you notice that they are basically the same.
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
That's the basic that the database provides for you.
Yeah, they both hold the information about the P file that's going to be created.
Okay, I just don't see my.
Or if it's not there, just create P file from SP file.
Okay.
Right. Problem solved.
Yeah, what Abraham is saying is the same thing I had. I had two databases that I created manually. I don't have the P file.
But here you can change the init.aura to your name, like how we did it in class. Remember how Prof did it? Is that what you're asking?
Yeah.
To change, yeah, you can do that. Change the name to dot. Remember,
what's his question? Don't change any init.
No, don't change. You have to create from SP file.
I mean, yeah, create from it, yeah, to make it your database name, because that's how Prof made us do it in class.
Because the init.aura P file by default doesn't have your database name.
Exactly.
Right.
It has standard information.
Okay.
General information. So don't edit directly your init.aura.
So you create SP file from P file.
No, P file from SP file.
I mean P file. Okay.
Create P file from SP file.
Okay.
Okay, student 112, right? Can you go to the root directory? Okay, now go to Aura data. You see option 2.SQL, right? Okay, I put it there. Click on it. Open. Okay, so that's the script. You already have the scripts, right? Okay, go back to. You see on your WinSCP, right? You have the possibility to go to the directories. You can? Normally, you should be able to. I mean, you should be able to. Okay. You can minimize Zoom though. Okay. You can minimize that one. Okay. I want you to go, since it's already open, right? Did you close it or minimize it? John? Hello? Jones?
Yes, I minimized. Sorry.
Okay, since you minimized it, right?
Yeah.
Go back to the root directory. Okay, now go to user one, app, Oracle, admin, test, scripts. Okay, you see you have all those scripts for the test database, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now go back to the scripts. Go back to option2.sql script file.
The one I minimized?
Yes. Can you put it back?
Yeah. 1 second.
That one is supposed to be way faster.
Yeah.
Okay. You see, the first thing to do here is to create a dump, right? Right? So go to Puri, connect to Puri.
Yeah.
SQL, connect to SQL. Just put SQ. Okay. You don't need to be connected to any environment for people who are about to ask. Okay.
Okay.
Click, you see the script? Go back to the script. Go back to the script. Go back to the file. Okay, you see the first line, right?
Yeah.
It has exclamation mark. We already saw that exclamation mark is when you want to execute a Unix command in SQL, right? You don't have to have the exclamation mark if you don't want to. If you want to do everything in the operating system line by line, that's fine. But if you want to go fast, you can just run the whole thing. Almost the whole thing. Now, you see mkdir minus pv / Oracle. Okay, the first one is to create a dump. By doing mkdir minus pv, you're creating the Florida directory and the ADAM directory at the same time. That's why we put minus pv, right? Minus pv allows you to create a directory that do not exist already, and also to get the return that it was created. So you will see a PL like Florida created, ADAM created, right? Because if you only put mkdir and then you put the path, for example, for ADAM, it will not be created because the Florida directory doesn't exist yet. Good? Okay, I hope so. I mean, I hope so, right?
That means you can create multiple directories that command, like.
Exactly.
Okay,
with mkdir minus pv, you can even create 40
a chain,
directories.
well, like a chain of directories. Okay.
Exactly, exactly. Okay.
Please go back one more time. I don't get it.
I say that if you just create mkdir, right?
Yes.
And then the path for the ADAM, it will not create. You can try it for practice. Try to do mkdir and then you create a path like for a directory that doesn't exist yet, and that directory is inside another directory that doesn't exist yet, you won't be able to create it. But for you to be able to create it, you just put minus p
Okay.
Minus
okay.
PV.
I got it. I got it.
Okay, good. So click on that first line. Click on that first line. Copy that first line. And the second one, the second mkdir minus PV is to create the scripts directory, right? What you can do is you can copy the first, second line and just paste it in SQL.
I don't want this.
The first 2 lines, not 3. You can use the third, but we need to explain the third line first. Copy the first 2 and then paste it in SQL. You have a hard time copying? Copy the first 2.
That's what I'm trying to do, but you see the ID is on my screen, so it's taking it.
Okay, do it line by line then. Do it line by line then, if you can do it directly, if you can copy the 2 lines directly.
All right, I can do it now. Took it out. Yeah, I copied that.
Okay, now paste it on Putty. Increase the size, people can see. Make it full screen so they can see. Okay. Enter again. Click on enter. Or second time. Okay. Click on enter second time.
I did that already. You want me to do it again?
Yes. Okay, good. So you guys can see that the directory ADAMP was created and the directory scripts was created, right?
Yes.
Now we are done with something we did it like in 2 seconds, but we did it in maybe 2 minutes earlier, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now go back to the script. Okay, now what we have here, you can see echo, right? Echo.
Yeah.
Okay. Echo is basically like print. You see like print in Java?
Okay.
Script? Yeah, it's like print. So it's basically telling you to add that line, to write that line in /etc/oratab. You guys see?
Yes, we see. Okay.
You see like echo, Florida, like that's the line you have that will be written on the next line in /etc/oratab.
Okay.
Does it make sense?
Yes.
Okay, now copy that. Copy that line, just that line. So whatever you want to add, right? You just do echo, open the strings, whatever you want to add in that file, right? And then at the end, you write down the directory, the full path of the directory here you want to paste it, right? Okay, now copy.
Yeah, copy.
Yeah, copy.
I did that already.
Okay, now paste it.
On SQL?
On Putty.
Putty, sorry.
Yeah, SQL.
Why the N, Emerald, please? At the
Why
end
the
of
N?
Yeah, there's that N before.
No, that N is in Aura is normally there in Oratab. It's not part of the. It's not new, right? It's either N or Y.
Oh yeah, there's a semicolon. Okay. There's a colon.
Yeah.
There's a colon before that. Okay, it's a separate thing. All right.
Yeah, that's normal. That's part of the. Okay.
Emerald, I thought it would have made sense to show us how you did what you did on this.
I can hear you.
I said I assume it makes sense for you instead of you doing what you did.
You got the echo.
I can hear you, honestly, I can hear you. You guys understand that? I can hear you. Two people either are in the same room, connected, or someone has the computer and the phone? I can't hear you.
I think if you just use iPhones or any phone in general, it echoes. So
No.
notice that.
I'm using my phone now. It's not echoing.
Oh, you're using your phone? Okay.
Are you getting me now, Emerald?
Yeah, I can get you.
Okay, I was saying, you know what you did in the background on his WinSCP?
Yes.
Like with the scripts, I don't know, like how you came about getting all those, creating the directories and the like.
Yes.
Yes. So could you show us that? I mean, after the class, after it's done.
Can I show you what?
You know, because like this third one, the one you did the echo and the like. Yeah, I don't really understand how you came about that.
It's a Unix command, right?
Mm-hmm.
You guys can see that echo is basically it's like print. You know, it's like print, basically. And
the echo was on those scripts. That's where they copy it and paste it here. That's how they
yeah,
get
it's like print. We will use echo again for other one. It's like just like print that line in that file, basically.
Or you want to say write?
So what
right?
you're saying is you just copied the scripts from the other one we created and placed there.
What do you mean?
You created another script which you've called, I think, script 2 or something, or test 2 or something like that.
Yeah, option
right?
2.
Option
Yes.
2, right?
No, that one.
So
that
how
script,
did you create the option 2? Did you just copy the scripts from the first one we created, or what did you do? In fact that's what I'm saying. That's what I want to know.
You mean like the for the test scripts?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I asked Fali for his student number, right? So that I could transfer his scripts to John's scripts, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think Emerald, I think what she's asking is how you generated these scripts that we are using now.
Those scripts, I was just writing them.
Those were
So
from
you
the...
already know them, so you just wrote them down and then.
Emerald.
Yeah, I edited them.
So were those from...
That's why I was hoping you would have done it with us watching.
Emerald.
Because to me, it's like if I just see it, to me that's just something like maybe I don't have to understand how you came about it. But so in fact, maybe
that's why I'm explaining it, right? I'm explaining them line by line.
To me, explaining it and doing it, it makes more sense to me than you having done it already and then just tell.
I didn't do it. I was just writing the scripts, and now I'm.
I have a question, please. What's minus PV means?
Just explain that, right? But okay. When you do mkdir minus PV, right? You're basically creating any other directory that was not created yet before creating the final directory. And the V is basically for you to be able to see, to get the return like the directory was created, right? Minus P means that any other file, any other directory that was not created should also be created. For example, here we have /user1/app/oracle/admin/Florida/Adam. Florida directory didn't exist, right? The Adam directory either did not exist. So if I only put mkdir, right, you would have gotten an error. You can try, right? You would have gotten an error because you with mkdir, you're only allowed to add one directory to another. But with mkdir minus P, you can add multiple directories. It will create multiple directories until the final directory that you're trying to create, right? Now the V is simply to return and confirm that the directory was indeed created. Like you guys could see that it says create a directory, and it tells you that the directory was created, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's basically why you have mkdir minus PV. It doesn't have to be minus V, but it has to be definitely at least minus P, because P would allow you to add any directory you want. That's why we have minus PV. I thought that the people were following. Do you guys get it now?
Yes, we got it.
Yes,
Yes,
You
yes.
do. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Emerald, I have a question.
Now let me explain echo again.
Yes.
Emerald.
Now echo is basically, you're basically telling the operating system, right, to go and add the line and add that line in that specific file, right? Echo, right? Then you open the strings. Everything that's within those strings is going to be written in ORATAB.
ORATAB. Okay.
That's basically what it's saying.
So
Now,
it's like transferring.
if you notice, it's like /user1/app/oracle/project, the column, and N and Y is like, it depends. It has to do with system being rebooted at startup or the database, but it's none of, I mean, it doesn't matter anyway. But all of it is just the line, right? And then after that, you can see like you have the sign. And then after that, you have the directory where you want it to be, the file where you want to write it to. The file here is ORATAB. So it's /etc/ORATAB. If you wanted to add it to ORAData / the one you just created, right? It would be in /ORAData/option to that SQL, right? So it's just echo. You open the strings, whatever you want to write. You can practice it. You can just put, hey, how are you doing today, right? You write a full line, you close the strings, and then you send it to where you want it to be written. You can do that for practice if you want. Then if you don't understand it yet, right?
Right.
Emerald.
Yes.
Emerald, I have it's not even a question. I don't know if you can take a look at my student number because I'm trying like to run. I run everything.
I'm sorry, but we have to finish
Yeah,
first.
we need to go.
Yes, please. Okay, no props, no problem.
We have to finish first because it's very important, because it will make everything easier, and it's not like you shouldn't know. Those are things that you actually should know. You will have to know anyway, by fire, by force, right?
Right.
You got that right, girl.
Are you from Pastor Suleiman?
Whatever.
Thank
you, Emero. Thank you.
All right, can you move on?
Okay, go back now. You can go back to.
You need to enter.
No. Yeah, enter. You didn't enter yet? Yeah, enter. Okay, now it's created. It's there. If he go, okay. See, some people
don't have any error.
Go to WinSCP. Go to WinSCP and go to /etc/. Let's go and see if it's there. It's gonna be there. Open.
That's if he hasn't created before, right? Like in the previous exercise.
I hope you didn't create it before.
I hope so too. Where do you want me to go to, please?
ETC.
Go back to the directory, then ETC.
Okay.
It's up.
You changed again. ETC.
Click on name. Click on name.
All right.
Go back up.
Okay. No.
Click on name.
Okay.
Go back up. Scroll up. Okay. ETC. Okay, ORATAB. No. ORATAB is a file. Go down.
Someone told me that you can type in on your keyboard OOO and then it will take you there faster.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, click on ORATAB.
Yep, bingo.
Okay, you see it's there, right?
Right.
I just added. Okay, now go back. You can go back, close it and go back to your script. Okay, now the next line, if you notice, we already have the scripts, right? We already have, this is just a simple CP command. You guys already know the CP command, right?
Yes.
Now you copy all the files that are in scripts, you copy them to the scripts directory of Florida now.
Oh, okay.
You guys understand that script?
Yes.
That line.
Yes.
You copy everything that's located in the test/script directory, right? And
Right.
you paste it in the Florida scripts directory.
That you just created, yeah.
That you just created.
Right. So for that, you need to have the scripts already created, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Can you say it again?
Okay, basically, you guys saw that when we did the first two, right? Exercise, we copied from one directory to the other. You guys remember?
Yes.
Yeah.
We had to create the directory. We had to put the scripts directory outside of the database or of the operating system, put it on our desktop, right? Edit them, and then go back, create the directory manually, and then create Florida manually, create scripts direct manually, and then put them back there after editing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, it's just that all the files that are already in the scripts, the test/scripts directory, right? All those files are directly going to go to Florida/scripts. Basically, you know that we are creating the Florida scripts, right? From the test scripts, right?
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Emerald.
Did someone say no?
Emerald.
Yes. That one is so complicated.
Emerald.
If you understand it, it's not complicated. This is a simple CP command. You guys saw CP command.
Yeah, we did.
You did CP. It's just CP, just copying from one directory to the other. That's it. You copy all the files that are in scripts directory of test, and you copy all of them to the ones that are in the scripts directory of Florida.
Yeah.
Actually,
Let's see and see.
Yeah, that's simple. We got it.
actually, if you understood the first time and the second time, well, that shouldn't be an issue at all.
Yeah.
Because we did that manually, but that's just the shortcut to do what we already did manually. We are just copying from one directory and putting it in another directory. This is just a CP command. Are you guys good?
Yes.
Yes, we are.
Let's move. Let's go. Let's keep going.
Is it unclear for someone so I can explain again? Because that one should be clear.
Emerald.
Yeah.
If I understand you very clearly, what you did was like the test that you created before, because you had to go on WinSCP, you just opted out from using WinSCP and you just decided to go on VNC Direct and use a just copy it here, then you start making a directory on the Oracle, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
On the operating
So
system, yes.
this is actually where everything starts from. The initial was just making us understand how you copy the test and you put it there. Then you copied what you generated first to him that you sent to him was a test message. The test of the script of the test before. Am I correct? So now you make the directory on the OS instead of using the WinSCP that we are creating direct. That's why you do the make directory -PV.
Yes.
Then you now encode it. Then now you're not copying. Instead of copying into our desktop before you did and you start editing it one by one, but you've already edited the test.
Yes.
Right? Okay. So I understand now.
I don't think the things are edited yet. I think it's later on content.
No, it's not edited.
No, they're already edited.
No, it's not.
No, it's not edited yet. We'll edit it
Just
together.
copying.
He's just copying. He's just copying.
On the
He's just copying everything to the scripts directory of Florida, right?
Okay.
So after doing that CP commands, right?
The set command will replace.
After doing that CP command, all the files that you will find in /provider/scripts are going to be the exact same files that are in test/scripts. And those files still need to be edited.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
That's the next
Thank
step.
you.
So, yeah, so we need to go to the next screen.
We good?
Yes. So we need to copy this into the.
Okay, copy and
Putty.
paste it
Putty.
on Putty. Yeah. Okay.
There's no semicolon, or it's okay?
No, there's no semicolon.
Oh, we don't need. Okay.
Okay, good. Go back. Go back to the SQL statement.
The script or the.
Okay, now you guys can see echo, right?
Yes. The TNS.
The TNS
file.
name, copy it to the TNS file.
Yes.
I got a question. I got a question.
Why didn't you start from the left? Copy from.
No, I got a question.
Okay.
What's your question?
You can copy all of them. You put in the Putty in the SQL you running.
What?
You can do that. You can
Just
put.
asking
You can
if they
take
can
all
copy
of them.
all.
All you put it, you running, or you need to take it by line by line.
We need to understand. That's what
You
she's
can
explaining.
copy the whole thing.
She's explaining so I can understand it.
I'm explaining it so you can understand, but you can literally run the whole thing, copy everything and paste it.
Yeah, yeah.
But don't do it. Sometimes it's better to do it line by line. Actually, you have to wait because there's something that I forgot to do. Go ahead. Do you guys understand that line?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It's like
What
the
is
previous
it?
one. We're copying. We're writing, actually, we're writing into the TNS file.
TNS
TNS
name.
name file, the TNS name.
Exactly. 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 That's exactly what we're doing. It's good, right?
Right.
Go and check in your TNS name. Go on Putty on WinSCP and check it from there.
You passed it. You passed it. DBS. Oh.
It's on network.
Network. Oh, sorry. Network.
Network. TNS names that error.
Go down.
Go down, down, down.
Huh?
Go down.
Oh no! You know what? Sometimes you may need you may need to sign out. You may need to sign out and sign back on.
No,
because that happened to me before. It didn't register right away. You may need to
Wait,
sign
wait,
out.
wait, wait, wait. There's
Well,
something. There's something. There's something.
That syntax is incomplete, isn't it?
It didn't put semicolon. I remember that though.
No, it stopped.
No,
at
it's not.
DB.
What's your DB home name?
JVDMO.
No. What's your Oracle home path? Is it DB_1 or DB home_1?
DB_1.
Okay.
I mean, I can't say with certainty, but I think it's DB_1.
What's your student number?
112.
Okay, 112. You need to edit that. Go back to the script, please.
To the script?
It's 112, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I already edited it. Just go back. Just close that one.
Oh.
Excuse me.
Close that one and open it again. I already edited it.
Like close it.
How did you do that, Emerald?
Please, can I get permission to record?
Ask, I'm not the one who has it.
Yeah, I'm just asking the host.
Okay.
Thank you.
Need to close it, right?
Try to enter it again. Click on enter. It should be there, or try to refresh it.
I closed it already, so I want to go back and check now.
Okay. Did you refresh it though?
No.
Can you mute yourselves, please?
Please, we don't need distraction. Thank you.
So that was in Aura data, right?
What? Yeah, that's the one. Okay, you see now you have your student number in it, right? Copy it and paste it. Okay, wait. You see what is the echo? Put space between the exclamation mark and echo, put space in it.
Yeah, I was gonna ask that because I noticed.
Normally you don't have to.
Okay, because I see the instruction below we don't have space said.
Yeah, normally you don't have to, but that's.
This one is half. It doesn't have DB-1. Are you there, Emerald?
What do you mean it's half? You didn't copy the whole thing.
All right.
You didn't copy the whole thing. Go back and copy the whole thing.
You can shift the screen to your right so you can make sure you see everything.
Maybe start from the right and come back.
Right. Start from the right.
Or you start from the line down, the empty line down to make sure you have it all.
Emerald, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
It ends at 11.2.0.
You sure?
No,
I think that's all.
Keep going. You got space.
Shift it again.
Keep going.
Guys, this is it. This is it. Okay.
No, it's
Full your screen.
Oh, okay, you have to go double click the line.
Start from the line below, yeah.
Okay.
Bingo.
Jesus.
So I think the last time I copied it halfway too.
Okay.
Yeah. So you want me to go look at it?
Yeah, now you can go look at it. You copied it halfway last time?
Yeah.
Okay, that's why. Yeah, you forgot to put the path. Okay, that's fine.
There you go.
It's there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's move on to the next step then.
Close this.
Yes. But make sure though, guys, make sure that you have your student number, right? I'm going to send you everyone the script, but make sure that you have your student number, because if you have someone else's student number, it's not going to work.
Okay.
Logic, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Could you? Okay.
Okay, next. Go to the file, to the script. Let me show you something else.
All right. So
Those are things that it might seem annoying now, but the earlier you know, the better. You guys will be able to create your own scripts and do your own things. It just makes everything easy. Okay. Now the next one is the MV command, right? Okay, we are good with the echo, right? The next one is MV.
Yes.
Okay.
So renaming.
Renaming.
Yes.
Oh,
renaming.
the three. I see the three folder. I mean the three
Yes.
files.
Yes. You guys remember that when we CP'd, right?
Mm-hmm.
We just copied the exact same files that were in Oracle base /admin/test/scripts, the exact same file, and put them in Florida, right?
Right.
Mm-hmm.
But here we are renaming those files.
Yes.
Instead of doing it manually, we are using the MV command.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So we can copy all three at the same time.
Exactly.
Please, the host should give permission for people to record.
MV can be used to rename a file or to move files from one place to another. Okay, copy the whole thing. Paste it. No, wait. Before doing that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Go to WinSCP. I want people to see, because if they don't see it with their own eyes, they might feel like, oh, they're just running scripts. Go to WinSCP, open, go to your directories. Okay. Click on Oracle. Click on Oracle. Okay. Click on admin. Admin. Okay. Refresh. Refresh. Refresh.
Okay. Florida.
Okay. Click on Florida. Click on scripts. You guys see that all the files here, the name is test, right?
Yes. 1, 2,
Okay.
3.
Now you can go back to the script and copy everything and paste it. With the MV command is rename. I think you guys saw that with Prof. So that before. Okay, click enter. Again.
One last time.
That's not 3 times.
Did you copy all of them?
Yeah.
Okay, now go back to WinSCP.
Yes, he copied all 3.
WinSCP. And then refresh now.
Magic.
Yeah, but
we still have one test. Test them.
You need the test.
And test.shell, test.sql.
Something is off. You shouldn't have that. I'm thinking.
Because we rename the files, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we rename it, so it should have been renamed instead of.
He renamed just 2 files.
Or maybe give it some time.
Maybe.
Give it some time. Refresh again.
No. It should have just renamed it.
Yeah. Still there. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 files. Yeah, extra 3 files.
Because that thing I'm doing it at the same time as you, and everything should have been renamed.
Oh, yours is okay.
Just make sure you copied all of them. Let's go back and check.
I did that already.
That's 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it was you admin test script. Oh, you know what? You know what we did? You know what the mistake was?
What?
Emerald? You know we're copying from the test directory. We're supposed to copy from Florida directory into Florida directory. Rename from
Yeah,
the
we
same
still
directory.
have test in it.
No.
Yes.
You don't understand.
Yes.
No.
That's right. That's right.
The directory name test was supposed to be replaced by Florida on the left side.
Yes.
But it still have a init test in it.
Yes, that's right. That's right.
So we just
He's right.
update that.
Update that. You see where you have test.
On the left side.
Yeah.
The first test in the first test all the way. Admin test should have been admin Florida. Yeah.
Oh, we have.
That should have been Florida. No, not that one. No, not that one. The directory.
Okay. Let me. Okay. Close it. So I'm gonna put it in yours. So you can directly do it. Okay. Okay. Close that page. Yeah. Close it. Don't save it. Just close it. Okay. Now open it again. Open it again.
What was that?
It's in Oradata.
All right.
Go back. Oradata. Okay. Yes. Okay, it's edited. Okay, so
we have one. What about the init test? That doesn't matter.
No, that doesn't matter. Yes, that's actually what you're replacing by the.
That's what they're replacing.
No, that's what you're replacing. Okay,
in the same
what's
folder.
your Florida scripts?
So if you can copy the 3 things.
Okay, do it again. It will work now. Copy the 3 lines and paste it.
We just gotta delete the old files.
Copy. Okay, paste.
Enter. Wait a minute, there's an issue.
Cannot start.
Move cannot.
No such file or directory.
Oh. 1 moment. Can you do again? Okay, do again the CP. Do the CP because they are not there anymore. They were deleted.
Oh, you deleted
the CP again. Do the CP again. You have that CP already there. You can just do the CP from there.
Copy.
Yeah.
You have the CP up there. Yeah.
CP.
Up.
Right here.
Yeah. Yeah, you CP that. No, don't. Okay. Yes. Now you paste it. Okay, good. Now you do it again. The 3 you're renaming. Okay, enter.
And not start.
Wait, let me see.
After the CP, you had something else before. We had one echo before.
Can you look at the WinSCP?
1 moment.
CP, all the files from test scripts into Florida scripts. Okay. don't know. We don't need the semicolon.
Okay, do you guys see it says Florida and then it says scripts and then it says test. Is that supposed to be Florida too or
Test.sql.
yeah, because I see
Okay,
test.sql and
go
I see
to.
test.sh.
Okay,
No.
go to
WinSCP.
WinSCP. And refresh it. Refresh it on WinSCP. On WinSCP, refresh it.
That's why it wasn't working.
Now go to script to view it.
No, you have to open it again, right? Oh.
It's already there. It's already there.
You didn't make any change?
It's there.
On the script?
Yes, it's there. Go to script.
WinSCP script.
WinSCP script. Yeah, go to user1/app/oracle/admin/florida/scripts. User1.
It's right there.
Product admin.
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 Florida.
Yeah, Florida.
Script.
Refresh it. Refresh it.
Oh yeah, it's here.
Okay, it's good. Okay, it's good. Now let's move on to the next one.
So before we move on to the next one, can we look?
Don't worry, guys. You do it again.
Can we look into the Florida.sh to see like if the names are still the same as
No,
test?
no, no. It's not edited inside.
So it's still test. No, just to see. I was just curious.
Yeah. Go ahead. Click on it. Click on it. Everything inside is still test.
Okay.
Everything inside is still test. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now you guys see SED said?
Yes.
It's basically to say replace.
Okay.
Said it says everything that's in that data file, everything that is the word test, replace test with Florida. You guys see?
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. S. What's S stands for and G at the end in the bracket? Or that's just part of a syntax?
S is basically like the first word.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Like the first word, and then G is like the end. It's like the beginning / the first word, and then the end, like G is for the last word.
Okay.
So Z minus I.
Emery, can you say that again?
I said, right? The set command is basically to rename, like replace. No, but not rename, but replace. Change one word with the other. It's exactly what we did when we click on replace, right? Yes. Except that that's the
in WinSCP.
The Unix command to do it. Right? It's like edit.
Okay.
It's like find and replace.
Okay. So we copy all of them?
Yes, copy that one. You can copy everything. You don't need to do it one by one. You copy everything and you just paste it.
You want me to hit enter the number of times?
Yeah. Okay, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. You click enter because sometimes it doesn't process. We have to click enter to make sure that it. You see, like where you have the space, that's actually where it was put. Like where, like you know that it was done. Okay.
Emerald, is it possible to include like a confirmation note on the screen like we did earlier for these commands or no?
No, I don't that I know. I mean, you can check.
Okay.
Maybe, but I mean, I don't know. Okay, maybe you can. I never tried. Maybe minus Ivy, but I'm not sure it's gonna work. I think I tried it, but it didn't work. So, okay. But if you figure it out, let me know. I would like that would be good to know. Okay. Next, can you go back? Now we are going to Shmod to grant, read, write, and execute to all the files in that specific directory. So you can copy the last line, yeah. The next line.
You want me to copy both?
No, just copy one. Do it one by one. I like to do it one by one. It's safer. Okay. You copied it? Okay. That one we already know Shmod, right? We don't need to explain Shmod again.
Yes.
Okay. Enter. Okay, it's done. Next. DOS to Unix.
You know what I don't understand, Emerald? Why we don't put semicolons? Like,
because it's operating system. It's not on a SQL.
Okay.
Please, can you explain the DOS to Unix command? The DOS to Unix command, can you explain it again?
Sure, DOS to Unix is basically you're converting files from the text files that they were to Unix format. You're basically, converting them to Unix format, to whatever form they were before, right? Because if they're not in Unix format, you won't be able to use them, to open them, to execute them, right?
For example, if we don't end our SQL scripts with .SQL, we won't be able to run them. So this, I think these files also, we need to convert them to Unix to run them, right?
Exactly. Because we are in the using environment, right? We are doing it in the operating system. We're not doing it, So they have to be Unix files. Okay, in Unix format. Okay. Next, list exit SQL. Exit SQL. Now you want to exit SQL. Okay. Now you want to go back to the script. Okay, now you see CD?
Yeah.
Copy that CD line. I mean, we're just being lazy, but you don't really have to go back to the script for that. You just CD/Oracle base /admin/Florida/ Now list. You see? It's ready to be created, right?
Yes.
Now you copy Florida.shell. Put /.
Paste it.
Paste it. Good. Now, new password, Brontech 1, Brontech 1, Brontech 1.
Wow. So
it's creating the database.
Thank you.
So Emerald, on the script page, I see that at the bottom you have run. You have the word run there at the bottom. Can that be
I have what?
used? The word run on the script at the last command.
I have what? Yeah. I'm basically saying run the script, like run / Florida.shell. Yeah, that's basically.
I know it's just like you telling also is that a command?
No, I'm telling you to.
Oh, okay.
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
What if you're to create a different database other than Florida?
Change the name.
And you didn't create.
You edit the scripts, right? You just edit the scripts. That's it.
Replace Florida by the new name.
Okay.
You just edit the scripts.
All right. Can we take a 5-minute break or?
You guys want a 5-minute break? It's creating, right?
Yes.
If you like, I just want you guys to understand what we did. If you understand it, that database is created in 2 minutes.
Yes, indeed.
It's created literally like in less than 5 minutes. It's created. Because if you do it the other way, you get the way you guys did it with like the first way we did it or with Prof. It's going to take you a while, and especially for the evening class. I feel bad for the evening class because you come at 5 and it's really slow on exam day because many people are connected and trying to work. So it's good to really do that, to really learn how to at least understand, and you know that, okay, those scripts are you can just go and edit the scripts from the source database, which is test, to the target database, which would be the one you will be given for like at school, for the exam. You just need to know how to edit it. So this is what we're going to do next. We are going to edit it with another, and I won't be the one editing it. Someone else will be editing. Because it's also very important. If you know what you're doing, then you know how to edit, right?
Yes.
But if you don't know what you're doing, it's going to be hard to edit because you're like, oh, I don't know how to upload.
All right. So can we take a break? Or
Abdullah, I hope go to the fridge.
The break? Oh, like can we be done now?
No, what we have
Just
more,
go
right?
to the fridge and get something.
No, we have.
At what time are we going to be done?
9 o'clock.
Abdullah, just go to the fridge and get something, man.
Are you serious?
We only did question 1. We have more.
We have time to do question 2 and other questions, Abdullah.
Yes. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We can send
Not today.
Abdullah, just go to the fridge.
Okay.
Can you go to the
We'll
fridge?
take it gradually. We'll not just start and do everything.
We'll take it gradually.
Yeah.
Because
some people are just coming from work, they need to relax and they need to rest. So if people don't have work, they should go and sleep.
Some people have to go to work.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway, if you want to log out, just log out and you just watch the video later.
If you need a break, just take your break. Nobody's there.
No, Emerald, we just need to take this thing gradually, Emerald.
Okay.
And where you end from in the morning class, then that's fine.
The morning class is here too.
This is the morning class.
No, it's good, but just end where you end there. We cannot forward because some of the people in the morning class are not there, Emerald. We should be
really?
for others. Yeah. Not everybody is here.
It's not my fault.
Some went to work.
I know that some of you will be able to explain, like Jalo, Abdullah, Nadine, right?
Lydia.
Lydia, definitely. Lydia, definitely.
Jano, leave me out of this. I'm hungry.
Nadia, too. So I know you guys know.
Boy, I'm so tired.
So if you guys want, I can send you that script because it's easy. It's honestly, if you know how to edit, you edit it in 2 minutes. You run the script in 2 minutes, and you're done with question 1 within 5 minutes. And then you can have like 4 hours to do everything else, rather than spend 30 minutes on that question. That's really not like, if you spend 30 minutes on the first question, you're sure to come back the next day. You're almost sure to come back on the next day. Some people even spend an hour on that. So, what do you guys want? Well, you want us to stop now?
Let's redo it
No,
again.
show us how to edit.
Let's do it.
Let's redo it again.
No, edit it. Next person, please share your screen.
Do it again fast.
Someone else share your screen. Someone else.
A lot of people are at work, though. A lot of people are at work. I mean, we can consider them maybe do it sometime because, quite frankly, a lot of people are at work.
Yeah, it's not really fair for them, but it's not also fair for the people who are here who want to
I'm at
learn.
work, but it's difficult for me to follow up sometimes to the class.
Very good, Emerald.
The brain is exhausted.
The thing is, guys, we have a lot more to do. We still have creating database link, import, export, backup. You have a lot to do. We cannot just be spending too much time on that. That's something that we should be done today, and I don't want to come back to it after that. To be honest.
Let's redo it again.
So we can do it again and without interruption.
Okay. So someone else share your screen. So you see the database was successfully created. Someone else share. Yeah.
Please, I think you have told the whole class that the class was from 3 to maybe 8 or 9, because everyone knew the class was still, I think, 6 or 7.
We knew that the class was 6.
But was 6?
No.
The class
We
was
started at
7.
4. So the class was until 7. If we started at 3, the class would have been until 6, right?
We said the class was 4 to 7, and it's 7, so
it's 7. If you want to leave, you're free to leave. But if some people want extra, like to do it again, you have the video anyway.
Can we
You guys can see the video. The thing is, that exam has 35 questions, but we are only on question 1. And I eventually have to explain everything because you guys need to be very good at multiplexing as well, and making sure that whatever error you encounter, you know how to fix it right away. You know. So we still have a lot to do. We can't spend too much time on that.
Okay.
Okay.
But
So
Emerald, wasn't this the most difficult thing?
What is what?
Wasn't creating a database manually the most difficult steps?
No.
If we get it, that means the other step maybe we can go. I don't know. Next time,
No.
Don't say so. Say for
Creating
you.
a database is one of the easiest. Are you kidding?
No, I'm just asking because it seems like it was longer. Like we took a lot of time.
Yeah, the thing is, it's not hard, but it takes a while.
To understand
unless you have the good script.
Because the fact is, if some people are no more ready to learn, like it's going to be difficult for them to understand. Even if you continue, it's going to be difficult. So I don't know. I'm just saying. Because some people, when they reach the peak, they won't go up.
Okay, I understand. Okay, you guys, if you want, we can meet. You guys, I don't know. You guys can say when we can meet.
We can explain with them.
Test it. Call it courage. You can make up. You can call it whatever you want to call it. I am not interested.
Emerald.
What do you mean you're not interested?
Emerald.
Someone is not interested in what?
Yes.
That was not for us. That was an outside.
Oh, okay.
Oh man.
That was an
if you're not
outside,
interested, right? It's not mandatory.
She's probably I'm sorry. I'm talking on the phone.
She doesn't know where to go meet the computer.
Can you please continue because all of this doesn't help anybody.
I've shared my screen already. Can you see my screen?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Let us.
Well, we can
shared
see your
my
screen.
All right, let's continue.
If people are not interested, honestly, it's not mandatory. Okay.
Yeah, that's sure.
Emerald,
And
please.
I don't even have to do that. Actually, my TA didn't do that with us. To be
Emerald,
honest.
Emerald, please.
Thank you so much for taking this time for
But
us.
it is not mandatory.
Yeah, what do you mean by
We
that?
cannot, we cannot, that's the
Emerald, please, don't
problem.
sacrifice us.
Let's just do this second method one more time.
All right, guys. Okay, calm down now. First of all,
Okay, let
Who
me
is
explain
this?
why it's
Who is
not
this?
mandatory, right?
Please, you
Classmate,
have to
please,
turn
be
your camera
respectful.
off.
who is that
Prof,
King Gallo?
Please turn your
Yeah.
camera off. We are not seeing the you, please.
let me explain you
You
guys.
guys should
Prof
mute
told me,
yourselves.
I went to Prof actually to tell him that maybe I can work with them a little bit. And honestly, it's not really, I mean, I'm a student too, you know, I have my own lessons to worry about. So
Right.
it's just like, I really want you guys to really get this and to really do really good, because if you get this like really well in DB1, it's going to be easy in DB2. It's going to be like so easy because those scripts will come back. And if you know how to keep them, you keep them well, it's going to be really, really good. So I want you guys to keep that, because creating database manually, we do it in DB as well for the exam. It's like 4 database or 5 database even we create, right? But you only have 4 hours to create 4 database. If you don't have the good scripts, or if you don't understand what needs to be edited, you spend 2 weeks there, right?
Emerald.
So
Emerald,
that's why, like,
I think
you
that's
don't
not
have
the
to be
problem.
here, because I don't even have to be here. I can log out. You know, I have my own life.
Emerald.
So you can be like,
Thank you, Emerald, for your patience. You are really patient. Thank you very much.
Emerald, please don't just listen to some of them.
Please.
A lot of
I'm not
us,
like,
a lot of us
I'm
need
getting
what you're
paid.
doing. A lot of us need what you're
I'm
doing,
not getting
Emerald.
paid for this, like, seriously.
Can we continue?
A lot of us need what you're doing. Don't just mind.
All right, let me say something, guys. Emerald, thank you very much for your patience, because quite frankly, if this was Prof, they will not talk to Prof like this. I know that.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, Prof
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
Yeah, they will not.
No.
That's the truth.
Emerald, that's not the point. That's not the point. You are painting people black. That's not the point.
Emerald,
That's
you
not
can
the
go talk to Prof.
problem.
I don't even know why you are arguing. She says it's not mandatory, so you don't want it to leave.
No, we should. The way we are talking,
Promise that
the way we are
actually
talking for someone who is helping us is not good.
It's not good at all.
It's really not good. Please.
What we are
We
trying
all
to say-
understand we are tired, and we all understand.
Please, guys,
Hey, guys,
if we are
excuse me,
tired,
excuse
we
me.
can cut off the meeting
Excuse
for
me,
today and
excuse me.
start next week, please.
Hey,
Those who are
guys,
tired can
It's
leave.
necessary to be mean to Emerald. She's helping us.
Those who are tired can leave. They can log out.
Thank you. Thank you.
She has taught us the second method just once. So let her just
Guys,
show us the second
let's
time. So we
just
can
redo the second method. Why the time? Why you wasting
Emerald,
time?
please.
Excuse me.
Please,
Excuse me, guys. Excuse me, guys. We
You
need
would
to
have
respect
finished by now.
yourself. Respect everybody. We're here for studying. Emerald, do whatever you plan for today. We need to move out. We're not need here for argue for the people. People have life. We're not here for you guys talking. Emerald, do whatever you want to do. Just move out.
I abide with you. Emerald, please just continue. Please, the host, give the permission for people to.
The host, can you mute people?
Host, can you mute everybody? Anybody who wants to talk something, he has to raise his hand now before you grant him the permission to talk. Not everybody is supposed to talk. Please give the record to everybody. If you want to talk, you raise your hand.
My brother.
You grant the permission to talk.
That's just unbelievable.
Just mute everybody. And also give the permission for people to record. Don't keep it. It's not your father's business, please.
Oh my
God. Come on, man.
Oh, wow.
Hey, guys, this is not fair.
Asking for permission. You see, give permission. You don't want to give.
How do you know he's seeing it? Oh my God.
That's not
by the end of the class, you make sure you
That guy, he's so,
the Dropbox.
he's so disrespectful.
Like that.
Everybody will be quiet.
Bro, that guy is so disrespectful, right?
He's in the
Don't
afternoon
say
class.
that guy is so disrespectful. I've been asking for permission. Please, you know how long it takes for people to put this on the Dropbox? I always take my notes. Please, Don't say that guy is so
Hello,
disrespectful.
everyone.
Never you do that. Never
I'm
you
the
do
host.
that in your life.
Everybody
Because
have
I'm
the
still going to ask you
permission
this
to
question in
record.
the
I
morning.
did grant the
Never you do
permission to
that.
record to everybody. I don't know what is the problem. Do
I've
you
been
try to
trying. It's
record?
not going. That's it. I'm asking you, please, bro. Don't do that. Don't say that guy is so disrespectful. I didn't disrespect.
You are disrespectful, sir. I'm sorry. You are disrespectful.
Not a place
I'm
to
sorry.
quarrel now. What is this?
Please, Emery, can we continue?
I don't know what's the use of the host so much. You know,
I've been expecting this noise from the
If
women.
this was prof,
The
you guys
girls
be
are not
talking like
making
this.
noise.
If
You
this
boys
was
are just
prof,
talking like.
now it's
Hello,
Emerald. You
guys.
guys are talking
Who is the
anyhow.
host? Please, can you mute
Mr. Mute
everybody?
everybody.
Is
Mute
it possible for the
everybody.
host to keep
If
some people
anybody
out,
want to
please?
speak,
Up.
You
Night
damn well
class,
know
you guys argue too much.
yourself. I don't know why you're wasting your time.
Those are just a bunch of kids, man. You should
Right,
quit.
guys, I've shared my screen. Let's move on.
Please.
Can we move on?
Come on, let's keep going.
Can we move on? Can we move on?
Oh my God, I'm so
Unbelievable.
tired.
That's unbelievable. Seriously, we just wasted 15 minutes. Emerald, just keep going. Whoever can follow. Those who cannot, keep arguing.
I guess I didn't miss anything from my break.
You really did.
Abdul.
Very good.
All right, guys, let's move on.
You sure didn't, Abdul. You sure didn't.
Oh God.
All right, guys, let's move on. Let's move on. Hello, Emerald.
God.
People have driven highway. People have
She's
driven
gone.
Emerald.
Emerald is gone.
I would have done the same thing. She did
Yeah,
the right
people have no respect
thing.
for
That
her.
makes no sense for people to be
True.
arguing like
Hello?
Yes,
Right.
getting
Oh,
you.
Yes, Emerald.
Hi, you wait here.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay.
You apologize, Emerald.
It's okay. I want all of you guys to be like good DBAs and to get good jobs. Honestly, that's why I'm helping you guys. Honestly, I'm not getting paid for Sundays, like to come and help you. Like seriously.
We appreciate it.
At least the least, I feel like the least is to, at least if you don't understand something and you feel like you want to leave, just leave and you will be able to watch videos later on anyway. Right. Or your classmates will be able to, and like I know that many of you are very smart. Most of you are very smart. So they will be able to explain to the ones who are not here, but we have to move. You have a lot to do. And I want to show you guys tricks to pass those exams like it's candy, like it's nothing, right? I want to show you guys everything that I know so that you guys can actually be good. But we cannot be slow and be too slow. That's the thing. So what's your student number, the person who wants to do it again? I want us to create another database so that you guys can see how to edit the script.
379.
267.
There's already somebody sharing the screen.
The person who's sharing the script, who's the...
Okay.
267.
Okay, 267. Okay. Let me send you put the script directly in your database.
Can you please remove that PE on the screen?
I don't get it.
There's always that person, right?
Right.
Oh, God.
On va manger. Ça va continuer, c'est pas grave. Je peux suivre. Pas comme si je ne pouvais pas suivre. Non, je vais essayer.
Everybody's good. Record rights. Go ahead and give us some rights to.
Non, il faut dire la vérité. Le dimanche, eux, ils sont en train d'aller travailler le dimanche, ils pointaient. D'autres sont au travail, ils sont en train de pointer leur argent. Elle est là en train de vous faire quelque chose gratuitement.
Mama, mute yourself.
Can you mute, please?
Yourself, please. Don't want to hear you.
So I'm going to do the same for you. I'm going to create option 2.SQL so that you have the same script, and we are going to edit it together. That's your database. Okay. Okay, you can go ahead and check it. Go to Aura Data. You're on WinSCP, right? Go to Aura Data. Go to Aura Data.
On n'a pas encore commencé. Elle était en train de lui envoyer quelque chose qu'elle a déjà envoyé. Elle a déjà fait ça.
Oh my
Parce que les gens n'ont
God.
pas bien
Oh my
compris.
God.
Can you mute yourself, please?
Can you refresh, please? Okay. Click on it. Click on it. Can the person with the .PE remove that, please? It's always that person.
So annoying though.
Who is giving the permission to record?
So what next?
Okay. Okay. See that you can minimize it. You already have the scripts, the test scripts, right? Okay, minimize it. Now, okay, from here, we are going to create the database. Go back. What you just minimized. I want you to see the scripts. I want you to see the script. You minimized it, right? Bring it back.
I just did.
Okay, click on it. Okay. Now, we want, instead of Florida, let's call it Maryland, right?
Yes.
Okay.
No, not Maryland, not Maryland.
Utah.
Utah, yeah.
So replace Florida to...
Yeah, replace
Utah?
Florida to Utah. Utah.
Good?
Yeah, replace all. What?
Couldn't find Florida.
Go back, then highlight everything. Delete everything.
Can we not have that PE on the screen?
What?
I mean the PE on the screen. Can whoever did it delete it, please?
The host, some people need Mr. Kuche Mumbe. Can you please grant permission to some people? To everyone. Apparently many, they all want permission to record.
Mister, can you read the comments so you know the people want permission?
Just give the permission to everybody.
All right.
Everybody.
Yeah, replace all.
All right, we good. Save. Do I have to save it? All right, we good.
You needed to put your password.
What did that?
Okay.
Okay, we're good. So Emerald, what next?
Is Emerald still around?
I was actually talking, but he keeps muting me. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I was saying, right, that you guys can
Okay.
see here, all we needed to do was to edit the name of the target database, right? Target database is the database you want to create, right?
Yes.
And the source database is test. So you need to make sure that you know that the target database, the one we want to create, right, is always going to be the one that you want to create the directory for, right? Scripts directory for, adding or tab, you know. We need to know that, okay, the one I want to create is the one that I should see a lot in here, right? And for some of you guys, you will be asked to generate scripts. Some might not be asked, but usually you're asked to generate scripts. So whatever name you're given to generate scripts, that would be the first line. So when you come here, instead of test, you would put the name of the directory that you just created, or of the scripts of the database that you just created, right? Does it make sense?
Take that again.
I said,
Yeah, we get it.
okay, here you have test and you have Utah. The scripts you create, the database, right? The scripts you create on VNC, that's test. We created those scripts for test on VNC, right?
Right. Yes.
So whatever scripts you will be asked to create, right, for the exam or even after when you'll be practicing, those you replace test by that database that you
By
created.
the other seed, yeah.
Exactly, on VNC. Now the database that you want to create manually, that's the one you'd be replacing Maryland, Florida, Utah, right?
Okay.
Right.
From, okay. Okay. Now go to MK. Now you can copy both. The first two lines, you can just copy them. Wait. I want to show you guys something.
Emerald, he has not changed his student number. It's still 1112.
Yeah, we are not there yet. But yeah,
It's a good catch.
change your student number while we are at it. Change your student number first. It's 267. Good. So always change your student number, right? So I was saying that let's read each line first, and then I want you to run the whole thing directly, right? So the second line is echo, right? Just like print, right? Echo that line into greater than sign in the file in the file or a tab, right? So we understand that command already, right? That Unix command, echo. Anyway, I'm explaining it in the video. You guys would be able to. So the echo is basically just print it somewhere. Okay, everything that between the strings is what you're printing. You can do that for practice. Put whatever sentence you want and you just print it, whatever you want. In the file you create, you'll see that it's going to appear there. So CP is to copy all the files that are in the scripts directory that you just created, and you copy all of them in the Utah scripts directory that you're creating, right? And then the next one is echo. You're adding that line. You're adding a new TNS name for that database in user1/app/Oracle home/network/admin/TNS name.aura. So in the TNS names.aura file, right?
Yes.
Now you have description, address, protocol, host. Of course, you always have to edit your to your host, to your student number, right?
Yes.
And then the port is the same, server dedicated, service name Utah. Okay. Now we've seen that already. Now I want you to copy all the 5 lines. Copy all of them.
The first, okay.
All the 5.
This one?
Yes. Copy. Okay. Copy. Did you copy?
Yes.
Okay, go to Puri. Connect to SQL. No, you can just put exclamation mark SQ. No, just SQ. Okay. Okay. Now paste it there. Okay, enter. Okay. Now everything was done. Everything was created. Let's continue. Let's continue. I want to show you guys how quick it is if you understand it. Go back. You see we have MV, right? That's to rename the file from one to the other, right?
Yeah.
We are renaming because since we copied all the files that were in test scripts directory, we copied all of them. They still have the same name, right? They still have a test.shell, test.sql, but you don't want to create that database. You want to create the Utah database, right?
Yeah.
So we are basically just renaming them to the one we want for our database.
Okay.
So go ahead, copy the 3 lines. You copy? Okay, you can paste it. Okay, it's good. Now go back. Go back to the
Do we NCP?
no, you're good here. SED, we say that it's like find and replace, right? It's the exact same thing that like the goggles or whatever it is with A to B. It's just find and replace. When you see SED -I, S is like the old to the G to like the new. So test, everything that it has test in that file will be replaced by Utah. That's simply what it means. And then it has the full path of the data file. Okay. Now you can copy that and paste it. What did you do? Go back. You see that error there? Go back. Roll back. Roll back. Yeah. You can't roll back anymore. Okay, roll back. Don't save. Don't save.
Go to undo.
Yeah, go to undo. Oh my goodness.
No, those those arrows that are like a curve.
All right, I got it.
Okay. Okay, good. Now I copy. Okay, paste it. Okay, good, good, good. Now go back. Go back. Go back to the script. We already know Schmod 777, right? It's to grant, read, write, and execute on their files. And DOS to Unix is to convert to Unix format. So can you copy these 2 lines as well? And paste it. Okay, now exit. Now go back, go to CD, copy that CD line. CD user1/app/admin. Copy. Are you on Puri?
Yep, I just pasted.
Okay, now list it. Okay, everything is there, right? Now that slash, then you copy utah.sh, or you can type it if you want. No.
Okay.
No space. You shouldn't have any space. No space on Utah, no space. You start on where the U start, that's where you start copying.
Okay.
Just type it now.
Type it. It's not long.
Or you can just type it, yeah. Or dot slash.
Dot slash.
No. Dot slash. Period. You know, like the period sign? Okay, period slash. Then Utah.shell. Lowercase. Okay.
We're good?
Enter. Yeah, you're good. Can you make it full screen? Yeah. Brontech 1. Brontech 1.
That's what I'm doing.
Okay. Okay, it's creating.
Okay.
Guys, just practice it twice or 3, even 5 times. I swear it's gonna be easy. You practice it. Go ahead. Sure.
Yeah, you see the option 2 script that you sent?
Yes.
How did you generate those scripts?
Oh, I didn't generate it. Those are just I use them from old scripts that I just edited them.
Or you
Or
gonna
maybe I'm not.
How are we gonna get this? How are we gonna get this? The option 2.
I want to send it to you guys, to everyone. I'll send it to everyone.
Okay.
Now.
Okay.
So it was just edited to you too.
Yeah, it was edited. What do you mean it was? No, I just no.
Okay, the question should be, how did you get it? How did you get the script?
Please, you guys should wait. One person is talking now. You guys should wait. I should finish talking, then you talk.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're not welcome.
I'm listening to you.
Okay, so what's the question exactly? I can hear you.
No, I was asking, like, since you have the script, sometimes you can make your own script, right?
Yeah.
So I was asking, did you make it or did you generate it and save it for your own record, or?
Oh no, I made those scripts.
Was it just sent to you like you're sending us it to us?
No. I those are my scripts, right?
Yes.
But you guys can edit it if you want to add something. You can add or remove.
But how did you do it? That's the problem. Did you just type it?
I believe so.
Yeah,
Yes.
I got inspired by some comments that I saw, and I did it.
And you just type it?
Yes, but there is another script that I didn't create. That actually Brontech family created it, and that one is even easier. You just type the source database and the target database, and that's it. It's creating the script for you.
What?
So I want to know, you send the script where? You said that you sent the script. I wanted to know that you sent the script where, because I didn't receive.
No, I didn't send it yet. I'm gonna send it to you so that you guys can practice. Yeah.
Okay.
No, you're sending where? I mean, that where, like the class class WhatsApp
Yeah.
or what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll send you on WhatsApp.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
But for the other script, I don't know if Prof would let me give it to you, because I need to ask Prof first, because that script we really don't do anything. It's really too easy. So I'm not sure, because we were given. It was for DB2, because in DB2 we are supposed to already know how to manually create database manually. That's why we send the scripts.
You just have to allow us to go through the stage. Then when we're in DB2, you can now give us.
Yeah, give us in DB2.
Okay, I'll give you guys in DB2, because it's very important, because that script I said, the option 2 scripts, right? It's really you really follow the steps, and it allows you to learn the SQL statement, the operating system commands as well, because you'll be using them a lot. You'll be using them a lot to do other things, to do many other things. You'll be needing them a lot. So that's why I wanted to share those comments. The MV, the SED, especially SED, we use it a lot. For cloning, we use it a lot. So,
Emma, you can send it. For those that want to wait for DB2, they can wait. You can send it like you said, because those who left know that you are sending the script for them.
But it's gonna be one from before the
yes,
end.
but I will need to ask Prof, because it's kind of cheating, and I want to make sure that he'll be okay if I send it to you guys.
Yeah, it's actually cheating.
Yeah, but it's too late, because some people already did this. The step in your computers already, so it won't be fair that people.
This is not the one she's talking about. She's talking about another one that they use in DB2.
Ah, okay.
Step 3.
Oh, okay. I thought she was talking about this one.
No, everybody will have option 2 scripts. If you get it, you will be able to create even your own scripts for other things. That I will even come and be impressed. I know, guys. You guys are smart. I know.
We are good with this, am I right?
Okay, so that the database is created. So are you guys good?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did. So good.
You're just waiting for the script.
I'm going to send it to you.
We're waiting for the script, actually.
Both scripts.
No, script 2 and script 2.
And 3.
Okay. I'll send you guys.
It's option 2. It's option 2.
No, if you don't want 3, that's fine. Me, I want 3.
Who told you that Dubai they give you 3, Paul?
No, 3 would be cheating. I think it's not a good idea.
Oh, it's just for us to know it.
Okay.
Okay, in the script,
in the script, right, I put student XXX so that you guys will be forced to edit it.
Yes.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Who is doing this on the screen, please?
I wonder.
I wonder.
Oh my
Please,
God.
please, Emerald, can you please
Make sure you take it back.
create the database manually one more time? One last time, please.
We just did it 4
We have
times.
done it twice, 4 times, man.
We can refer.
add,
We can refer to a
we
video,
can-
right? Someone.
Yeah, refer to the videos. We did it twice. Refer to the videos.
So if you have time, you ask somebody in the class to help you.
Emerald
Yeah.
has a social life, please.
Sure. Sure, go ahead. Someone has a question?
I think she's been muted. Can you unmute yourself?
Irene, Nadia, unmute yourself.
I was saying Emerald has a life, so we can watch the videos.
What?
No, I was saying you have another life, right? So we can watch the videos if 4 times.
Yeah, exactly. You can just watch the video again twice.
Who is doing all these things on the screen?
I don't know.
You guys,
Anyone that got the video can please send it. Can please share it on WhatsApp.
guys, we are being so childish, for real.
Really charges. Indeed.
Also, configure database Florida for full recoverability. Okay. For next time, not for this time, but there are 2 ways to do it, right?
Okay.
The first way is you do it manually. And the second way is you already put it in your control trace file in your scripts when you create a database. But we'll be working on that. Don't worry, guys.
All right.
Okay.
And it's the same for set open cursor parameter to 290, set the undo retention time to 58 minutes, set undo retention guarantee. Those are things that we can literally just add in the P file and just create a database from it. So
wow.
You have question 7, 8, 9, and 2. It's done, right?
Mm-hmm.
But we'll do it next time because I don't want to rush. I don't want to rush when I do it. I want you guys to understand it.
Let's take it gradually.
Don't rush.
Emerald, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Emerald. Thank you. You blessed. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hey, for being patient with some of us.
Please, someone should share
in
the
our
video.
next live.
Please, someone should share the video.
You see
And
the
don't forget
activity.
to start creating your scripts and put them in Aura data, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Hey, Emerald, the host didn't give me the chance to at least record anything. I'm pissed off for it.
He didn't give us the chance to record.
I was completely lost and I kept sending messages to the group. Please.
Don't worry, my friend. You get the video. You get the video.
You get the video. You get the video.
guys.
If I really do get
You
a
will
video,
not get it. You will not get it.
Please send the video.
Thank you, Emerald.
Please,
Thank
can
you,
someone send it
next
on
live.
Dropbox?
You
Can
see
someone
gonna be
send
our
it
team.
on Dropbox right now?
12 people.
Is the revision over? When everyone is saying thank you. Is the revision
Yes,
Okay,
where
thank
are
you
you
guys.
coming
You guys
from?
are the
It's
best.
over.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
We need
All right,
the
Emerald, bye.
Emma, when
Bye,
should we
everyone.
expect the
Thank you
file?
very much, girl.
Please,
Emma.
can someone just send it
Emerald,
immediately
in our
on
next
Dropbox?
live, you see gonna be our TA.
Please, someone should share the video.
So
Someone should
Emma
share
is
the
still
video.
gonna be my teacher when I get a job. All of people will be my teachers.
Nato,
So
Nato,
prepare
please
your
share the video.
phone.
All we need is a video on Dropbox.
Emma.
Okay, please share the videos, guys. Share
Yeah.
it.
Thank you.
Thank
Alright,
you so
okay.
much.
Thank you so
Bye.
Emma, when should we expect
Bye.
the file so I
Wait,
can practice
Emerald.
tonight?
I don't know if you guys want me to send it on WhatsApp or
Yeah.
emails.
WhatsApp should be
will
better
fine.
because everybody can have it then.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
The text file, right?
Just
Okay.
send it.
All
Just
right,
send
thanks.
it in the group.
Bye.
Okay,
Wait,
bye
Emma,
guys.
Bye.
when you send the script,
Yeah.
copy it to our data.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Stop recording.
Mister.
Paul.
Naomi, now it's see. You know what? See me for 5 weeks. You know, call my phone.
5
I
weeks.
don't see you for school.
5 weeks. You don't want to see me for just
Nadia.
how many days?
Yeah, you get appointment now.
Nadia, you know, call me.
I'm never call you again. No serious.
This I gotta go church now.
Nadia, why is your this thing echoing?
Okay.
Because the day the 3 for play, I play the day.